man, what are you wishing for Christmas?
Oh, I got quite the wish list for Santa.
Yeah.
How about you, man?
Well, you know, I'm not telling you what I'm wishing for.
Yeah, I got heard if you do that, it won't come true.
Yeah, that's right. But you know what? Remember that wishbone we had from Thanksgiving?
I do. We saw that kicking around?
Right here.
Oh, man. Well,
all right, well,
you know what we have to do now?
Yeah, so if we do this,
yeah,
the winner gets their wish come true.
Bring it on, man.
All right, let's do it.
One, two, three. Tied. We both win at 4 quarter because everybody's a winner.